Congratulations on purchasing your PrintWiz tape dispenser. This video will explain how to use and maintain your PrintWiz. Before you get started, we suggest you familiarize yourself with the various parts of your new PrintWiz tape dispenser. Now, we're ready to go. First, make sure that the printing lever is latched into the off position. Next, insert the print plate wheel. Start by removing the print plate thumb screw. Then, insert the print plate wheel with this side up. Now, replace the screw and install the rubber band that is provided. Great job! Now you can insert the ink cartridge. First, remove the protective cover from the ink cartridge. Do not discard. Then, remove the ink cartridge thumb nut. Next, place the ink cartridge with the flat side facing the print plate wheel. Lock it into position and replace the thumb nut. Place a roll of 2-inch wide tape onto the spindle with the adhesive side facing downwards, and then grab the yellow tape feeder that's located in the PrintWiz handle. Adhere the start of the tape to the tape feeder. Now, insert the feeder over the white plastic roller and pull it straight down past the pressure rubber roller. Then advance the feeder down and around the pressure rubber roller and cut against the cutting blade. Be sure to use caution as the cutting blade is sharp. At this point, the tape, plate wheel, and ink cartridge are correctly in place. Now, simply unlatch the on-off lever and place it in the on position. Lastly, adjust the tape tension brake, making sure not to over-tighten. That's it! Your new PrintWiz is ready to go. To increase the lifespan of your new PrintWiz, periodically hand-tighten all screws, clean and lightly lubricate the spring mechanism with any silicone-based lubricant. When not using the dispenser for a period of time, place protective cover on the ink cartridge and place into bag. Refer back to instruction sheet if needed. Now let's print and tape with your new PrintWiz.